Hey, Riccatoni Valentino here, and I want to tell you a little story about a problem I was having with this girl I was going out with named Mariana. She kept messing up my hair. I asked her to stop it, but no, she just wouldn't listen. So finally, in desperation, I took her to one of those chain restaurants out by the mall. Harvard's or O'Reilly's or something like that. Well, anyway, I ain't seen that girl since. So the moral of the little story is, if you've got somebody that's messing with you, take them to one of those chain restaurants out by the mall and tell them Riccatoni Valentino sent you.
Mr. Valentino, you're on in 2 minutes.